Welcome back, Fact Fluence family. Today we've got something incredibly exciting for you. Picture this, your first $1,000 online even if you're just starting out. How, you ask? We've discovered a game-changing AI tool called Kover that's going to make this possible. A tool that simplifies the complex world of graphic design into a user-friendly experience. So let's dive into the future of online income generation together. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge to leverage this powerful tool and start earning. Now, before we dive into the solution, let's talk about the result you can achieve after putting it into action. Imagine being able to create top-notch designs as stunning as those crafted by professional designers in just 8 seconds. That's right, 8 seconds. Less time than it takes to tie your shoelaces. And this magic is made possible by a brand new AI tool called Kover. But Kover isn't just about saving time or making pretty pictures. It's about giving you the power to turn these designs into a reliable source of income. Picture this. Your designs on merchandise sold worldwide, your graphics on popular websites, your creativity turned into cold, hard cash. And all of this achievable with no previous design experience. We're not just talking about any designs, we're talking about designs that can help you generate income online. So what is Kover at the K.com ? Well, allow me to paint a picture. Imagine a graphic design tool that's like having a professional designer at your fingertips. This is Kover, an AI-powered platform that simplifies the world of graphic design. How does it work? It's as easy as pie. Kover provides you with a myriad of design templates that you can customize according to your needs. And the best part? It doesn't require any design talent or experience. In fact, you can create stunning professional-level designs in just 8 seconds. Yes, 8 seconds. What could you do with such a tool? Well, you could create logos, social media posts, flyers, banners, and so much more. And all these could be the starting point for your online income stream. With Kover, your creative potential is unleashed, and the possibilities are endless. Now let's explore 5 different ways you can leverage this AI tool to make your first $1,000 online. Firstly, consider 99designs.com. This platform hosts design contests where companies choose their favorite logos. With Kover, you can customize templates to create stunning logos, submit them, and potentially earn hundreds of dollars for each chosen design. Next, there's designcrowd.com. Similar to 99 Designs, DesignCrowd allows you to compete in design contests. Simply use Kover to customize your entries and compete for cash prizes. The third method is selling design services on Fiverr. This freelancing platform is a hotbed for people seeking quality designs. Use Kover to provide top-notch services and earn a good income in the process. The fourth way is through wirestock.io. This platform allows you to submit AI-generated images to contests. Use Kover to create unique designs, submit them, and potentially win cash prizes. Lastly, consider print-on-demand platforms. Create personalized designs with Kover, print them on t-shirts, hoodies, or other products, and sell them on platforms like Teespring. You could even wear your designs yourself and become a walking advertisement for your brand. Remember, these are just a few ways to monetize your Kover creations. This tool is a launchpad for your creativity and a gateway to multiple income streams. But wait, there's more. I've left a link to Kover in the description box below, and if you use the code DAVENICK at checkout, you can save 50% on all monthly plans. That's a fantastic deal to kickstart your journey into online income generation. So, there you have it. 5 viable ways to use Kover to make your first $1,000 online. It's time to take that leap, tap into your creativity, and start earning. I'm excited to see where this journey takes you. Until next time, go out there and turn your creativity into cash with Kover. Now here's the exciting part. I've dropped a link to Kover in the description box below. And here's a little secret just for you. If you enter the code DAVENICK at checkout, you'll get to enjoy a whopping 50% off all monthly plans. Now that's a deal worth grabbing to kickstart your journey into online income generation. And remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. Kover isn't just for logos and t-shirt designs. It can be your secret weapon for creating eye-catching thumbnails, unique labels, personalized stickers, engaging social media posts, and so much more. The possibilities are virtually endless, and you've got a tool that can turn your creative ideas into tangible reality within mere seconds. I sincerely hope you found value in this video. If you did, why not drop a like below and stay tuned for more informative and inspiring content. Until next time, Fact Fluence family, go out there and turn your creativity into cash with Kover.